Hey guys, if you are a brand new streamer looking for some free panels, then rest assured I'm going to be showing you the Visuals by Impulse Panel Maker. Now this little tool that they have is going to be making you some amazing looking panels for your Twitch stream so that you can finally get some, or even if you just want to, upgrade your current ones. So stick around, watch the video to the entirety. It really helps the algorithm and I hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, real quick before we get started, I am GS Fear and I am a content creator on both Twitch and YouTube, and I'm dedicated to bringing you the best possible stream tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you set your stream apart. And I really think that this free panel maker is going to help you achieve that if you don't have any panels whatsoever. And like I said, it's free. It's on Visuals by Impulse, a fantastic website to use. I have actually made another video that I will link up above for you guys to go watch on the free overlays that they also include. But let's go ahead and get on into the video. I'm going to leave this link to the visualsbyimpulse.com/tools/Twitch panel maker free, just so it's easy for you guys to click on it. So once you've clicked on it, it's going to take you to a page. So I've kind of adjusted a little bit of this. You can change the text around. I just put about me. It's kind of a simple panel that we're going to be making. I changed the font family to Comforta. I changed my color to white just because white kind of pops out. A lot of people use the dark mode, so when they're looking at your panels, it's going to stand out to them. I have my font size to 34. Now you can change the X and Y positions. As you see, it'll move it on the X axis. So to just put that back there. So the subtitle, you can have this if you want, or you can even make it to where you don't have anything. So we're actually going to just delete that, go back over here to the other one, make that a bit bigger. Let's make that 42 and actually change this Y position to where it's in kind of the middle. There we go. Yeah. So we have it somewhat in the middle. It's not going to be perfect here. We're just spitballing here. So then we're going to go over here to the icon. Now the really cool thing about this panel maker compared to some other ones that are out here on the market is the vast amount of icons that this little website tool has. There's abacuses, there's literally everything from acorns to a YouTube square. So I'm sure you can find something in there that will, be good for you. So we're just going to use a grin here. It's just something easy and simple. We're going to change that color to, just white. We're going to increase the size of that. And maybe we're just going to move that a little bit up on the Y axis so it kind of matches there. Boom, we have that now. So now what we're going to be doing is going into the background. So this is another amazing feature that this website has that some other ones actually just do not offer. You can have different textures. So there's anything from Need for Speed, Camouflage, Poly Glacier, Pastel. That's a really cool looking one. There's Finger Paint, Aromantic. There's Asexual. There's a whole bunch of these. So you can have a Rainbow Geometric Dark. You can have Rainbow Smoke Dark. That looks really, really awesome, I think. So you can have also an overlay. You can have kind of like fire on it if you want. I think that looks a little bit tacky. So we're just gonna kind of move and check out all of the options that we have here. Kind of like the shards. Kind of happy with that. You can also change the color, but I don't think that it's really going to matter just because we used the Rainbow Smoke Dark. So this is a really cool tool that you guys can use to really enhance your streams with the free panel maker here. Now, just to explain why and how this can really enhance your streams, if you don't have any panels, then there's no way for people to connect with you on Twitter, connect with you on your new Discord server that you are creating, or just to see anything about you, to see your CPU hardware, just to see anything other than what you physically say on your stream or whatever you have on your commands. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did help you out, leave a comment in the comments below. If you vibe with this channel and you want to see more videos much like this to help you grow your stream and, you know, step out of the normal and set your stream apart from all the rest, then consider hitting that subscribe button, the notification ding ding, so you don't miss any more like this. And thank you guys again. I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.